Je suis dans le texte.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So if you guys have watched my entrepreneurial life episode 1, you would know that I complained about having literally, as you can see right there, that's all my stuff, that's all my business stuff, and then the shoes, so everything there just looks messy. I complained about not having enough space to keep my stuff, so I saw something on eBay. I was looking for a storage thing, so I found it on eBay, and guess what we have here? It's almost as tall as I am. It's literally almost as tall as I am. So today I'll just be unboxing it with you guys, and yes. And if you watched my last episode, that's episode 5, I complained about my postal bags finishing, and I ordered it that same day, and guess who's here? It's just good. It's just a good day today. So let's open up this one first. Yay. No, this feels cheaper. It's not, oh my god, it's not the same quality as the one. It feels a lot cheaper. Wow, I'm upset now. So if you guys want me to give you the link, just let me know, and I'll just leave it in the comment section or in the description box. Okay, now let's move to the main one. Okay, so I think this angle is a lot better. We've got our handy dandy scissors. This side has more tape. So, oh my god. Oh, it's the same. I played myself as usual. Oh, actually, let me show you guys from the top. I love these. I can use this as a stand for my ideas. Okay, so we've got that. Oh my god, you guys need to see this. Let me move back a bit. Yeah. Okay, we've got the trays. Alright. Oh my god! I'm not building anything. Oh wow.
And
I've got more trays, more of this things, more trays. Yes! Lifesaver! Oh, that's all. The one I ordered has 10 trays, so this is I can't count anymore. 6 and this is 4, I believe, and I think this is the top. And that's a, oh, and this rod thing, and then this one. Let's get building. Okay, so looking, you can't even see me. Okay, so looking at the list now, I think I've got all the accessories. Yeah. So the first step is to insert 2 caster sleeves, H, okay, into the base of each frame. Okay. So what is the caster frame?
2,000 years later.
Got it! I got it! I got it! I got it! Okay, let's carry on now. There we go. Much better. So what am I doing with these now? You guys need to see what I'm doing. So it says insert 2 caster sleeves in the base of each frame. So we've got 4. How? This way. This way. Is it in? Yes! So next we need to secure 4 spacing rails. What? This is 3, not 4. 4 spacing rails. 4? What? Huh? By inserting 4 fixing bolts, which is these ones. Okay. It says secure 4 spacing rails by inserting 4. Oh, I get it now. In these holes, yeah. Oh, that's just too much English for me, you know. 4 through the pre-drilled holes in the frame. Tighten using the key. This is the key. Okay, they are not lying. Insert 4 fixing bolts into the opposite side of the frame to secure. The spacing rails should face each other inside of the spacing assembly. Bish, wait. Ah, I still don't understand. So where does these go then? This is B. Ah, this is what, oh my god. These is what I'm meant to use to connect both of them together. Okay. But this is 3. How many holes? 2 holes. I'm losing brain cells. Help. Okay. Let me do this first before complaining. Maybe they sent a spare. I am so confused. Because I've got 3 of this here. But in this, I need to connect it to the 4 edges of the thing. But I've just got 3. I am so confused. Oh, I'm meant to have 4. Oh. Oh. I got the last one. I was thinking, okay, I'm about to sue someone's ass, but never mind. Are they the same length? Yeah, they are. I was about to say, I'm about to claim back my money, because So the next step is to affix the handle E to each drawer using the handle fixing screws. Secure with a suitable crosshead. Oh, you're meant to add the tires as well, but it doesn't say when you should add the tires. Oh, insert and secure 2 twin into each frame. G, where is the G? They forgot a step, but you're meant to add the tires before adding the thing. So, oh, that's easy. Next up, we have to add this cute little handle to the drawers. Okay, I see you. I don't have a screwdriver. They're meant to provide a screwdriver if they want you to use a screwdriver, so. Okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Guys, I just finished now. That thing from the start goes on the top and it's just this ombre. It's really cute. Ew, I love it. So this is what it looks like. I'm proud of myself. You can call me Esther Builder now. Thank you. So I just need to pack up all of these mess. There's so much plastic. Why? Anyways, this was really simple to follow. Oh, they have it in some other languages as well. This is probably, I don't know, I don't speak what language this is. This looks like German because there's a lot of, yeah, it's probably German. And this is French. Yep, this is Francais, and this is Anglais. Yeah, it comes in 3 languages. But I'm done now. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I deserve a sweet. So the next part is to just put in my stuff. Okay. So what I'll do now is get all of those boxes right there and try to put some of the things in there just so I can reduce. And that's also my business stuff at the back there as well. It's just a mess, so I deserve to get this. And it's not that heavy, it's just, so yes. Guys, excuse all the mess in the background. I was a whole lot of mess. I was arranging the stuff. So in this first top drawer, we've got the lip glosses. Gladly, I mean, neatly arranged. Next one, next one, we've got the collab glosses. I need to be disorganized if someone orders. Next, we've got the edge brushes and the highlighters, the lip scrubs. Oh, this is falling off. Okay, the lip scrubs, the cute makeup bags. I've got gold underneath there and blue underneath there, and I've got my drawer full of lashes. Wow. Please order lashes so I can get rid of some of the stock. And I've got this, it's just, I've got happy birthday cards, thank you cards. I've got that, just when I want to ship like a cute thank you package. And here I've got the thank you card for the collab glosses, the bag I use, my labels, my logo, and the just order bags. And lastly, I've got my shipping stuff. That is the crown, my business card, my thank you card, and the postage bags, a lot of them. I couldn't pull my do-rags because it's really a lot. I've got more do-rags in there. So I'll probably put the do-rags in one of the boxes again, just to make everything look neater. Now I have to get rid of all these boxes. That's actually majority of my stock done. So let me just clean up this place and I'll come back. Managed to put the do-rags in 2 shoe boxes. Yep, there we go. So it's a lot more concise now, guys. I use some of the boxes again. This just has my empty lip scrub containers in. This has some do-rags, the pink wine and black one. This has the other do-rags, and that has the rest of the bags. So this is what the final thing looks like. It's just there, it's sitting pretty, so it makes everywhere else look nice. So yeah, guys, that's the end of my video. As you can see, I used some of the, what's the actual name of these things, these foam things, what's it actually called? Because I used some to just hold up my lashes. Oh my god, to just hold up my lashes, as you can see right there. So yeah, that's all. I'm really tired now because it took forever. I thought this vlog was going to be like 5 minutes, just unbox, put it together, and I'm done, but I guess not. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.